Ozane ndaba allegedly wemuna mfethu uyabona lento ekhulumayo esinenkinga eserious eSouth Africa mfethu ngoba kumanje ngilalele la ku702 Clement Manyashela show uinterviewer i-spokesperson se-SAPS uHlendamathi wasefaka nalo we-spokesperson se-AfriForum le yakhona esihluphayo la eSouth Africa bafethu sisenkingeni angazi noma niyabona yini and into ebuhlungu ukuthi abantu siyabatshela every day ukuthi bafethu ake niyeke ukuvotela iANC even namanje kuma by elections babona iANC emva kwa national ukuthi iANC ihlangene nabantu abasicindezele yini eright ezoyenza iANC ihlangene nabacindezeli bafethu ngoba even nalento yevet labacindezeli laba hayi ukuthi abayisupportanga njenge MK cha bona bayisupportanga ngoba bekhalela ukuthi kuscrap kubeza nama conditions ukuthi kuscrap amabhela bill so abanayo indaba nani angazi ukuthi kungani iANC will even consider abantu abathi babelwe lalelizwe but baphinde bahlangane nabantu ababelelwa lelizwe against bona like does it make sense to you kune freedom front plus lapha kune DA the very same people ababesicindezela but iANC it chose ukuhlangana nabo to rule this country over abantu bala kule country abaningi abavotele ilokhuzana amaqembu afana neMK neEFF like it does not make sense at all give me I don't know ukuthi because even nalento ababeyisho ukuthi thina si doomsday mina doomsday ngibona manje yabona njengamanje I see doomsday whatever that is happening in this country it shows ukuthi this is doomsday for us thina singanamali thina sisokolayo thina sirephelwe ingane it's us who are seeing it doomsday ngale GNU yet that woman from the Western Cape abambiza ngoHelen Zille she said that thina imgodoi thina we are doomsday but we seeing it doomsday right now they've done nothing ever since baqala le GNU yabo kunalokho they are bickering every day there's nothing that they've done they are there right now and because of ama blue lights and all that they feel special and they feel big they are making sure ukuthi bafuna ukudonsa iANC ngekhaya lately there are still people in the ANC that can say no to nonsense it's a pity that they were influenced to choose IDA over ilokhuzana MK or EFF because this thing now it shows ukuthi these people they are clashing in terms of policies and it's not easy because they had a plan mabethatha IDA ukuthi this is the plan that we need to reach but now because of the masses even in the ANC people are against whatever that is happening with the DA and AfriForum and all that people are against that so they see ukuthi even if they continue with this DA people are going to fight even if they don't continue with this DA they will have a problem with the agreement that they have so they are caught in this predicament that they don't know ukuthi bazophuma kanjani but it's a pity guys because we tell you every day but you still continue now by elections to vote for the very same ANC we are saying justice for Coco right now mina even though we are saying justice for Coco bengifisa ngathi bafethu singake sihlanganeni sonke angikhethe umuntu noma singabayeka laba ANC vele ngoba abalifuna ushintsho bona bafuna ingane zethu zigoye through whatever that Coco is going through noma wakhe bafuna ingane zethu zigoye through whatever lokosazana wakaZondo who was also raped kanye nabanye uOmotoso waseNigeria they want that to continue so we need to be united thina esingakufuni lokho ukuthi kuqhubeke sibe united sihlanganise imali sithole ifirm law firm ezosilwela le case kaCwecwe we need justice kule case kaCwecwe because this case is old and they fumbled just like they fumbled kule kaOmotoso they fumbled in this case amaphoyisa including prosecutor because they don't know ukuthi ziyaphuma noma ziyangena they don't know anything and if we are quiet guys namhlanje imina kusasa wena so when uzofila kanjani because this thing is done deliberately it's not like it's a mistake it's done deliberately because they are protecting that the criminals so mina bengithi bafethu ake sicabangeni kahle lento while we saying justice for Coco but let's also talk about gathering imali so that we can get a law firm that we can fight, because that's what these people are doing. The white people, that's what they are doing. This guy principal lapha ongafuni ukwenza DNA uthi into ebani Afri-Forum. It means he's a member of the Afri-Forum or whatever the case may be, but whatever is happening there, it shows you that these people are united. So thina yini singenza ukufana bafowethu, yini singenza ukufana sizokhala kuzokubeni, because this thing is a cycle. It's been happening for quite long now, and whenever it happens now, and then we talk about it, it dies down, and then we wait, and then it comes back again. So when in now, it won't stop. So when are we going to fight, guys? Why are we so tolerant? Why? We've got a serious problem here. We need to come out and fight, because the ANC is selling out, and we need to cry so that this Senzo Mchunu and this Shamila Batoyi can be expelled, because they are not doing anything for us. They are protecting these criminals. Bafethu cha ake sivukele emaqandeni manje, ake sivukele emaqandeni, ake siye kulokhu sipepereza, ake sithathe action manje. It's high time, and we are fighting for a good cause. Uma ngabe sonela ukuthi ingane idlunguliwe, odokotela bayasho baze baba babili ukuthi ingane was penetrated. Guys, please guys, let's wake up and fight. Please, asukumeni manje. Lento le angeke isise ndawo. So lokhu sikhalile na next day sobe sikhala. Futhi hayi na next day khona enyangeni ezazo besikhala.